Hi everyone. So today we have a very good collection. Welcome, welcome everyone to Balaji Jewelers. We have a huge range today.
Hi Andy. So after a long time we are coming for the live because we wanted to have a lot of collections for you. Sales too have been phenomenal. Thank you for all your support and Kunj is taking you through the different designs and then we can start the live immediately. Yeah. So once we do that we can. So hello Andy, Praveen from Sri Balaji Jewelers and we welcome you back to a super duper collection of ultralight jewelry and as people say keto diet jewelry from Sri Balaji Jewelers. So everything is 22 carat, everything is government hallmarked and you will love the collection and just rush up. We have an ample stock this time because a lot of people used to complain that you do not have stocks, they sell off very quick. So frankly, what all you like right now, pick up your phones and send us. Our prices are very competitive and we give a 100% buyback if you don't like the product. And with me is my son Kunj. So Kunj will take you through and tell you about what all we have.
So today we have a very exclusive collection in the lightweight jewelry. So before to comparatively now we have a very huge collection. So do have a look. And my only request is something if you are liking, kindly pick it up because orders are very taking too much time. So ready దొరికితే బెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది అండి. సో మీరు చూడండి అండి.
So the old saying Kunj will start off, but before that, అమ్మాయి నస్తే పెళ్లి చేయండి ఆగొద్దు. Right? So let's start today's session. So we'll start off with some very classic ones. Kunj will explain to you about the products.
So starting off with this choker. So this choker we have done a different one this time. The whole set around 10 to 12 grams with the tops.
So 10 to 12 grams and most of the designs actually Kunj works very hard online. He goes personally and selects the Pachi collection which is there in the market. ఇప్పుడు దానికే ఎట్లా తీయాలని చూసుకొని we try to do it in a very light weight.
This is the one which goes regularly online. Super hit ఇది కూడా.
So Kunj, I think you can go one by one each counter rather than changing the counter, right? So evergreen, like hot sellers low. This is again one of the hot seller, always in trend. This is from the Nizami collection. So
And
the
only 22 grams.
22 grams. Okay, yeah.
Next is this Kundan copy necklace. What we have with the Kundan work, we have copied it into the lightweight version. So very beautiful one. With the butta, it is only around 35 grams.
So again a hot seller, Andy. This one also is a very hot seller. So all these are our hot sellers.
This one, the whole set is around 13 to 14 grams.
What? 30? Fantastic.
And then next is this. This set also is around 12 grams net.
So 12 grams net, Andy.
Yeah. So we have this choker, the Mahanati choker,
So Mahanati choker again
around
very
11 grams.
this time, and the response is super duper. Again, this is from the Pachi collection. So the Pachi collections are in Andi. This is again a very hit online. We sold like Dhamaka, right? And this one, the black thread one, we did first time, right?
I'll show you next. Next, that design.
This is like how many grams?
This is around 8 to 9 grams the whole
8
set.
to 9 grams set, Andi.
This is around 15 grams the whole set.
So just 15 grams. And
This we have done it in around 2 lakhs. Very, very beautiful.
this is again a hot seller. బాగా మూవ్మెంట్ ఉందండి ఇది కూడా సూపర్ డూపర్ సెల్లింగ్. So it is one of the hot cakes again, as you can see. And this is like the lighter shades are in trend, so it's pink. The baby pink is again in
Around 7 grams the whole set.
7 grams.
This is around, the set is around probably 2 lakhs. Very, very beautiful.
Very beautiful. People need to sail through in life, so the boat is there. So you can just sail through by buying it. It's a very beautiful one.
Next we have this choker around 5-6 grams.
5-6 grams. That's it.
And next this set we have. This is a magical set. Can anyone guess what's the price of the whole set? We have the tops as well for this. The tops are these for that.
So tops ఉన్నాయండి దీనికి, choker ఉంది.
So the whole set we have done only in 1,10,000 andi.
So the choker, the tops, and then the haram. So it's like a bridal in just 1,10,000.
And with all the real beads, we have used all the real beads, the green ones. You can see the quality of the green beads.
So Mona Lisa beads they are called actually.
And then this is also inspired by the Pachi catalog.
Very, very grand.
Very grand. Around 2 lakhs is the haram and the hangings around 50. This is a morganite set.
Even this is very beautiful. The pinks and the light greens are fully moving.
Around 1,75,000. Then this is another choker what we have done. This is the side piece mala which is very trendy again. Around 6 grams. 5-6 grams. This is also very beautiful Andi. Very, very beautiful. This is also inspired by the Pachi collection.
So from the Satlada style and the Pachi side beads, bunch of kinda the chandelier laga. That's
Only
very, very
15 to 20 grams the whole set Andi. Next is the Panchlada. Panchlada with the pieces. We are having 2 samosas as well here. So this is the first time we have done 15 to 16 grams to Cheshnar Andi. So very, very beautiful Panchlada. Next we have these chokers around 17 grams.
This is also super hit.
Then we have this flower necklace around 6 grams. Then this also is around 10 to 11 grams. This is around 19-20 grams. This set is around 16 to 18 grams. This necklace is around 4 grams. And then this is a peacock necklace. So next we'll move on to the bridal little heavier segment. So these are around, heavier also is lighter in Balaji. So 30 grams we have done this choker.
సో ఒట్టి 30 గ్రాములు అండి. చూస్తే మీరు ఎంత గ్రాండ్ ఉందంటే అసలు మొత్తం నెక్ ఫిల్అప్ అయిపోతుంది. విల్ విజిట్ ద స్టోర్ టుమారో. జాన్వి, we are having a holiday on Sunday. Sundays we don't work. So I'm sorry about that. any working day, you are most welcome. And then this is also a very nice Navaratna inspired one, very beautiful. And welcome to all the people who are here.
Around 22-23 grams we've done this.
Yes, and see again, this is a very super hit. Meghna, welcome. You have a lot of people joining in. So very nice. Thank you so much.
And this is
Purna.
our evergreen single line ruby,
Yeah.
emerald, and Navratna necklace.
Tejasvi, welcome. So we have a lot of people. Sumana, welcome. So we have a lot of designs. Yeah, Kunj. These are the lightweight ones, right?
Yeah, these are all around 60, 70, 50.
So these ఎప్పుడైనా వచ్చినప్పుడు బాగా డిమాండ్ అండి అసలు దే జస్ట్ ఫ్లై ఆఫ్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ రెడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ గ్రీన్
Around 45,000 we are doing the necklace.
nice collection. Thank you for your compliments.
Thank you everyone.
Yeah, now the Guttapusalu, as you can see, Vaddanam collection lightweight. Swati Garu, we do have Vaddanams. You can ping us personally. We'll show you.
This Guttapusal set is coming to around 2 lakhs.
So very beautiful, Andy. Whole neck covers. So
And the next we have another Guttapusalu. Guttapusalu we are having a very huge response.
Riddhi says superb. Thank you, Riddhi. Thank you for your compliment.
And the kantis.
కంటి అయితే పుట్టిన ముందు పెళ్ళి అండి అసలు వెయిట్ చేస్తాము అండ్ వీఆర్ ట్రయింగ్ టు గెట్ న్యూ మోర్ డిజైన్స్ సో టుడేస్ చోకర్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ కెన్ యూ షో బ్లాక్ థ్రెడ్ జ్యువెలరీ అట్ ప్రెసెంట్ వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ మచ్ బట్
1.3, 1.4 lakhs we have done the kantis.
ఓకే
And then the Guttapusalu again.
సో యూ కెన్ సీ దీస్ దే ఆర్ ఆల్ సూపర్ డూపర్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ
This is around 12-13 grams the set.
లవ్ ఫ్రమ్ రిధి కలెక్షన్స్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
This Guttapusalu set as well is around 30 grams.
So all these are like very very beautiful ones. So Tussi models, Tussi unnai Srujana, we have beautiful Tussis. Kindly WhatsApp us and we can show you the Tussis. 4.5 lakhs lo chestunam Tussis.
And this is Bajuban choker collection. Very very beautiful, very very light, starting from around 6.5 grams to around 10 grams.
So all these are very nice, so very beautiful. The Navratna one always is a super duper hit. So it's like the rasam, sambar and rice of South India. Always sells very quick. And
The Buttumala.
ద బొట్టుమాల అగైన్ లిటిల్ యాంటిక్ చేస్తామండి దీనికి యాంటిక్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇంకా అందం వస్తుంది సో ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ హిట్ మీరు చూసినప్పుడు అండ్ దిస్ పెండెంట్ ఆల్సో వెరీ లైట్ లైక్ 4 to 5 grams 6 grams వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్ మళ్ళీ బొట్టుమాలలో వీ హ్యావ్ అగైన్ అ లాంగర్ వర్జన్ ఆల్సో సో దట్స్ ద లాంగర్ వర్జన్ ఆఫ్ ద బొట్టుమాల అసలు ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ సో హ్యాపీ వీ స్టార్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ ది ఓవర్సీస్ మార్కెట్ కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఇండియా నుంచి హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి ప్లస్ గుంటూరు కర్నూలు తెలంగాణ ఆల్ ద ప్లేసెస్ ఆంధ్ర గెటింగ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ రెస్పాన్స్ అండి
So what weight? How is this? Is this? Can you use this haram? What is the speciality?
The specialty of this haram my son will tell you because he does all the designing more. What is special about it he will tell you.
So basically, this is a design inspired by a Pachisi haram. So that was initially in 125 grams. So we have inspired that into the lightweight segment, and this is fully detachable. Converts it into Vandanam, haram, pendant, tika, and you can wear it as a short necklace, long necklace. So multiple ways you have, Andy, and only 55 to 60 grams we have done this.
Wow. So 55 to 60 grams low you have a 5-in-1 and super duper.
Can we see how it gets detachable?
So
We can,
it is
one Vandanam, like Vandanam.
it is very very simple. Anybody in house can do it. It is not a rocket science. చూడండి ఇది ఓపెన్ చేసేసినాం సో ఇది ఒట్టి పెండెంట్ మీరు వాడొచ్చు విడిగా రైట్ అండ్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఓపెన్స్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్ లైక్ దట్ ఆల్సో అండ్ దెన్ యూ ఫిక్స్ ఇట్ ఆన్ ద సైడ్స్ and it becomes a Vaddanam. So it's a very very simple one. So it goes in like that. So very very classy and very beautiful. So ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఎవరైనా ఇంట్లో హాయిగా వేయొచ్చు. ఐ నో లేడీస్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టైమ్ వెన్ దే ఆర్ డ్రెస్సింగ్ అప్ ఫర్ ద ఫంక్షన్స్. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ సింపుల్. దర్ నో రాకెట్ సైన్స్ టు డూ ఆల్ దాట్. సో దిస్ బికమ్స్ అ వడ్డానం నౌ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ. ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వన్. హాయిగా అండి మీకు ఫ్రంట్లో ఈజీగా కవర్ అవుతుంది మొత్తం. ప్లస్ ఇట్ ఓపెన్స్ అవుట్ అండ్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ అ షార్ట్ నెక్లెస్. It becomes a long necklace.
So all detachables are there, Andy.
All detachables, right? Now we'll just take you around to some more other ones.
Around 8 grams.
8 to 9 grams.
Then we have some Champasaralu's Bahubali.
So Champasaralu, Bahubali. So I think lot of things are inspired from the movies also. So super duper. This detachable. Meeru tops vidiga vaadachchu and you can wear it along with the Champasaralu. Plus, what is this new launch?
This is a Magari pendant that we did. Huge big size pendant.
So it's a huge big size pendant from the Kundan collection. కుందన్లో ఇది దాదాపు 80 to 90 grams అండి. ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో ఎంత ఉంది కొంచెం?
This we have done it in only 2 tulas.
2 tulas అండి. అసలు దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ ధమాకా. దీనికంటే ఎక్కువ యూ కెనాట్ ఇమాజిన్ ఆల్సో. అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్వైట్ బిగ్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ సీ. ఇట్స్ లైక్ 3.5 inches in width to 4 inches. Around 4 inches width ఉందండి.
And then next we have this again Pachike inspired design, only in around 2 tulas.
So all these are the super duper hits and you can see we have tops, we have jhumkas, we have all the other things and we have again a jada which is back. Kunj, can you show the jada also?
Yeah, sure. We'll get back to that. And the tops, few tops for matching that. The Mahanadi tops.
So all are in stock, Andy. Just contact us before they fly, and we have the
Jada.
Jada also. People ask us, but it never stays back in stock. Vastundi, eltundi, vastundi, eltundi. So that's how it goes in.
So only 27 grams we have done the Jada, Andy. We've got 5 pieces totally in this. So very very beautiful, very very grand. So by this we are ending our life, Andy.
So we thank you so much, Andy, for always being there. Do go through the designs. They are all superb. They are in stock and we are so happy and excited that people are shopping online from Bangalore. They are shopping from Mumbai, shopping from Delhi. They are shopping from Tirupati, Nellore, Guntur, Kurnool, Tanuku, Bhimaram, Rajahmundry. అసలు ఇప్పుడు ఆలోచించలేదండి. సో మీ అందరికీ చాలా బిగ్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ ద టీమ్ ఆఫ్ శ్రీ బాలాజీ. మీరంతా మా మీద ట్రస్ట్ చేసుకొని తీసుకుంటున్నారు. ఆ ట్రస్ట్ ఓన్లీ ఈజ్ డ్రైవింగ్ అస్ టు గివ్ యూ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ అండ్ యూ క్యాన్ హ్యావ్ ద ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ కస్టమర్స్. ఇఫ్ పీపుల్ వర్ నాట్ హ్యాపీ డ్యూ టు ఎనీథింగ్ వీఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ దేర్. సో సేల్స్ అంటే సేల్స్కి ఆగుతి లేదు. ఒక రిలేషన్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి సేల్స్ తోటి. సో ప్లీజ్.
Another thing is that I wanted to tell you all that when you're contacting us for the items, for all the products you have seen, so one request is that directly go for a video call, select yours, transfer and get yours, because for us to see the messages, then send pictures, it is getting a little longer. So for you, the best thing is to fix a video call. You can see all the collection, whatever you like, immediately you can pick it up.
So go for it. Happy shopping and always we believe in our principle which is called HIT, HIT, honesty, integrity and transparency. So always there for you. Thank you so much. I am Praveen and my son
Kunj
from Sri Balaji Jewellers.
Thank you.